What is good, guys? MoonLight back again. Welcome back, finally, to another installment of Shotgun Saturday Fright. Apologies, guys, for the delay. The reason for the delay was I was in the process of getting the kind of like the thumbs up and okay from some of the creators that I could get in touch with, and I did. And I got a few new people to got in touch with, and I told them I wanted to add their works to Shotgun Saturday Fright. So here we are. We're gonna do tonight. We're doing 3 new shorts today. For this week, but going forward, guys, I had a poll on my community feed, and I was asking guys, so for Shotgun Saturday Fright, would you guys want me to up it to 4 shorts a video? And it was a split at first, and then it became, people was like, yeah, go to 4. There was like maybe 4 people who said 4, and 2 said, just stay at 3. So we're gonna go, so going forward, not this week, so after this week it'll be 4. So we have 3 videos, and the first one we're gonna watch comes from David Donahue. I'll leave all their information and links in the description down below, so you can go check out their channel. And this video is called The MoonLight Man. This sounds interesting, so we pop on the headphones so I don't miss anything. And yeah, we're gonna check this out right now. So The MoonLight Man. Here we go. So let's do this. Thank you for hitting the play button. I hope you enjoyed this week's episode. Here we go. Now, The MoonLight Man. Alright, we got a baby girl out. There's nobody on these streets. Oh, that's just creepy right there. Come on. Oh, that's creepy right away. Where'd the keys go? Don't tell me this dude is underneath her car. Bro! He's got the keys though. He's making all these weird noises. Oh, this fool's in that car. Oh shit! Come on with that stalker shit. Why don't you run? Run, baby girl. How about doing that? What you gonna do with the flashlight? Say spread them? Nah, run. It's over. It's over. Just not a big jump scare. Chill. Oh, he's in the back of that car? Chill. Oh, fucking hell. What is he doing, raping her? Bro, that's That sounded like he was raping her. And why was he making that creepy noise? You heard that noise he was making? He's going like. Yo, man, see. All right. She should have just got out the car. All right, and run. Taking her ass and run. And then she stands there waiting for something to pop. Didn't she just have a flashlight? She just went, and then that's it. You let that thing come up behind you and making that, you heard him making that noise? I thought he was getting it in on her. Let's move on to the next. Alright guys, so we're back again with the next video on this week's episode, and we are going back again to another classic, or another, well, I should say classic, another in the installment, and I have watched the first 3 installments of this, and we're going back to ACM Officials, The Smiling Woman. This is part 4. So the first one, it was the woman at the train station getting attacked by that smiling woman. The second one was parking lot, get attacked by that smiling woman, and each smiling woman keeps taking over the next person. And the next one was the woman, she was in her bedroom and the smiling woman came and got her. So we're on part 4. So far I have been enjoying this little series, and some of these women that they be getting for the smile are kind of creepy, I ain't gonna lie, but we're gonna check out the next one. Here it is, Smiling Woman number 4. Let's do this. Go. One a.m. Alright, so we had a laundromat. Drinking too fast, baby girl. Oh, she got asthma, come on. That shit scared the shit out. See, how did I get scared of that? It was just a bell. She's standing right behind her. Wait, is that yellow dress? That's the woman in the first smiling woman had a yellow dress. Bro, what the yo, chill. Oh no. Why does she always do that? How does she get their phones and start? Oh, it's her. Oh, her smile is creepy.
I think your dress got mixed up with my clothes.
Nah, she looks the creepiest so far. Nah, she looks the creepiest. Come on, man. Oh, and she got asthma too? Yeah, she looked the creepiest. That's it. What the hell? What'd she do? Lock it? If she does that stupid crip walk, I'm gonna be... Yeah, she looked just creepy and psychotic. Don't do that crip... Shit, she's doing it! Oh, that's fucking creepy! Why does she do that? Why does she walk like that? Oh, she's standing there right behind her.
So what happened? Poor girl died of an asthma attack.
Nah, see, asthma girl now got the, yup, I knew it. I knew it. Okay, so what is it? It passes on to the next woman. So far, out of the 4 that I have watched, the woman here had the most creepiest smile because she looked psychotic. Could you imagine somebody coming up on you like that, looking at you all crazy? Like, you'd be, most likely, I know several people that would probably taken a swing at her. But the fact is, you added a disadvantage to the woman in danger. She had asthma and had it bad too. That's fucked up. And now she's got the, I guess, the smiling woman spirit in her, and she's gonna go torment some other person. I wonder. I'm not sure how many there are, but I'm interested. And like I said, guys, I jumped. I'm not even gonna lie. That the washing machine got me because I wasn't expecting that. But it's that creepy ass walking, that, you know, that kind of stop motion walking. I can't stand that. That creeps me out. And they were on her way too long when she was doing it too. So nope. Next. Alright guys, so we're on to the next and final video. This is perhaps the longest out of the videos that we're doing, and it is from Alter, good channel. I do watch a lot of their vids, and this has a little specialty for me because I am a huge werewolf fan. I love werewolves more than I love vampires and things like that. And this is dealing with, considered the first werewolf, and it is an old story down in Louisiana. You ever heard of the Rougarou? If you haven't, go research it. Real good story. So this is all about the Rougarou. So shouts out to Alter for doing this. I appreciate this very much. Let's check this out. Here we go. Now. Boom. Got somebody cooking. Making what? Biscuits? Oh, little girl. She's making a cake?
Morning.
Oh, what? Man, that stove needs a good cleaning. Not bad.
Oh no, man, it's really fresh out the box, okay? So
She made that cake.
Come on, man, gets the drool.
T, come here. Listen. Hold on. Let me tell you what actually happened. T, who was it back in the day that said, "Damn, that's a fine piece of meat"?
Come on.
A sirloin steak ain't got nothing on her.
Come on, yo, Buck, that wasn't you, man.
That sound like you, bro.
And you just mad because after all these years, even a she-male can recognize a player, son. And that she-male wanted some of this, but none of that.
Some of this.
Thank you, T.
None of that.
Some of this.
None of that.
Some of this.
None of that.
Some of this. None of that. Some of this. None of that. Come on.
Y'all clowning, bro. Y'all clowning. Come on, man.
Oh, it's good seeing you.
Look, look, man.
Who? What is that? Uh-oh! Whose mama's calling him?
Always with the jokes.
Somebody's mama's calling him.
Lucky I gotta go. Good to see
All
you,
right, man. Peace out, man.
Take care, bro.
All right.
Later, bro.
I gotta head out too.
Yeah.
Man. All right, bro.
Stay easy.
You too, man.
My man look dumb, a little too old to be hanging out with these guys.
I know we're gonna have to ride on him later.
Favorite animal?
Favorite animal. Be a dog.
Favorite color?
Green. It's easy in the world, you know?
Favorite dinosaur?
What's those things with the giant toenail? What do you call them? Raptors.
Favorite food?
Bacon.
Favorite candy?
That's easy. Hot tamales.
Least favorite food?
Lettuce.
What happened? That scar on your head.
Yeah, I was noticing that too.
That was the Rougarou.
He just...
Monsters aren't real.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
It sure felt real. You see this right here? Its claws did this. And its teeth, they did this.
This motherfucker gonna turn into a werewolf then.
Did you kill it?
No, I didn't. But you better believe next time I'm gonna pull that trigger. I mean, I wouldn't go outside after dark is all I'm saying, Gertie. And with that, good night.
So, what is he, a gangbanger? But he a dad too?
I love you.
Yeah. I love you too, sweetie.
What the?
Yeah. He was tall officer.
How tall?
Sure, 7, 8 feet.
Anything else?
Yeah, his eyes, they were red.
Red.
Yeah, red. Like the butt of a cigarette over there, you know?
They killed this man. They killed Brother Man. They killed him. Remember you heard him say, we got to ride up on him. Why? That's fucked up. Ugh. You better clean that. Is that cocaine I just saw in that? What the fuck? Yo, what kind of house this girl living in? This little girl shouldn't be doing all this stuff. She should not be doing this. Somebody call it AC on these people. Child services needs to be called into the like. What'd she find? Oh shit! A footprint. Don't go down there. Oh, baby girl, why you going down there? Jump scare. Got a jump scare coming up. She went under there.
I am gonna ask you the questions now. How about that?
Okay, I'm an open book.
Really?
Really.
Favorite color?
Rainbows.
Favorite food?
Spaghetti and ketchup.
Oh, nice choice. You just like your old man. Favorite animal?
Yo,
Unicorns.
Unicorns, huh? Interesting.
my girl set up a trap.
I thought you didn't believe in that kind of thing.
I changed my mind.
Why is that?
If the Rougarou exists, then why can't unicorns?
What
It's
the
funny you say
fuck
that,
is
because
she
the only thing
doing?
Rougarou is a unicorn.
Unicorns don't kill.
Sure they do. I mean, why else do you think they got that horn?
Bruh, does this fool got her
Yeah.
putting
It
cocaine?
doesn't look like it, but it sure is dangerous.
This whole family's a piece of shit. I'm sorry. Why they going for that? Shit. Don't go down there, baby girl. Don't go down there with that. What you got? You got a little. Is that a wiffle bat? No, that's a. That's one of them tap. Oh my god. Oh my god. She got a gun. This chick got a shotgun. Yo, this little girl's brave. I'm not even gonna lie. Close that door. Close that fucking door. Close. It's her dad. What did I tell you? He got bit. He said it. He's turning into... He's right fucking there!
Dad?
Hey, sweetie.
What the... What the fuck? Wait, what's... Hold up. Wait a minute. Interesting. Okay, hold on. Let's put the headphones on. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. So what are y'all trying to say, Alter? Are y'all trying to say that the monster or Rougarou was just, she finally saw that her dad as the monster? Is that what you're implying? Because I'm confused now. I'm a little confused. We saw the Rougarou or the werewolf in her yard, but then it disappeared and it went upstairs. Unless you basically are playing psychologically, yes, the monster was real, but it was her dad. And I would say, okay, I get where you're coming from, because let's think about it for a second. You know, you heard what his boy said. Yo, you know, we got to ride on this dude. For what? You know, he wasn't really taking responsibility. He didn't care that he killed somebody. We saw, I guess, that dude's daughter and his mama crying over him. At the end of it, it seemed like, yeah, he was the monster. He just pulled the Rougarou into the whole persuasion to give off the feel that, yeah, the monster, but he was the real monster. I think I get it. Nice work, Alter. Nice work. But that little girl was straight up legit. She making traps. She had a little pump action shotgun. That was crazy. But more importantly, this family sucks. Somebody should have called child services on these fuckers, because they had that little girl. She was watching. I don't know who that was. Her grandmother or her dad, her grandpa and her mom. I don't know what it was. Just snorting up some coke. She's helping daddy lace up coke. I'm like, what the fuck is this? Outside of that, Alter did a good job, because it was the psychological effect. The costume wasn't too bad for the Rougarou. I ain't gonna lie, but it makes me wonder, because it was just like, she came in, and he's like, hey, sweetie, and I'm like, and she still shot him. The question is, why? Did she finally see him for who he truly was? I don't know. I'm still trying to figure that out, but it was still good. Anyway, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this episode of this news episode of Shotgun Saturday Fright. Pretty good. Pretty good jump scares for me, because, like I said, I try to film these at night, so and more importantly, they did give me a little jump scare. MoonLight Man, I would give a legit, if I'm doing 10 out of 10, I'd give it a straight 7. Mainly because of that creepy noise that he was making, but the jump scares were there. Smiling Woman gets an 8 for me, because it's just that creepy walking that they do that just, and this woman who plays the Smiling Woman was legit kind of scary. Like, she had legitimately like a scary look. She looked psychotic, and I did not like that. And I did not like that. Sorry, I get creeped out when I'm stuck. And this last one about the Rougarou, I like what you did, Alter. That's good work. Like I said, guys, before, I will leave the link in the description to everybody's channel and the links to all the videos here, so you can go check them out. This was good. This was fun. Good time. Good fun. I will see you guys next time. Same Fright night. Same Fright channel. Fright time. I tried to come up with something cool, but it didn't work. Anyway, guys, I will see you guys next week. Remember, the 23rd starts the new